Hi, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today we've got something from the United States. This was overnighted by the nice folks over at Nissan, and I guess tomorrow, I looked it up, this is the October 5th, tomorrow is the 6th, you're probably seeing this on the 6th. But yeah, October 6th is National Noodle Day. I looked it up. It's National Noodle Day. So let's open this up. I have no idea what's in here. Yeah, let's find out. Ooh. So check that soup soaker. I have no idea. I have no idea what's going on in here. It's got a card. Let's read the card. Alright, so on this side it says Happy National Noodle Day, Top Ramen, Cup Noodles, yada yada. And on the other side it says, This National Noodle Day, things are getting steamy in your bathtub. To help you celebrate all things nude this National Noodle Day, we've sent you oodles of noodles and one very special super surprise. You can finally marinate and unwind like a noodle. Cup Noodles has made the world's first noodle bath bomb inspired by our iconic broth, so you can truly satisfy all your cravings no matter how weird. This is weird, folks. How do I review this? I don't know. Are you gonna watch me take a bath? My daughter really likes the bath bombs. It kind of opened up, but the thing's totally intact. Oh my god, it smells like... Is this really an instant noodle bath bomb? Oh my god, look at that. And it smells. This smells like chicken instant noodles. This is off the hook weird. Thank you for doing this. This is neat. This is really neat. I want to like... Oh, I shouldn't have done that. Yeah, that tastes kind of funny. I don't think you're supposed to eat that. This is the Cup Noodle Bath Bomb, special for National Noodle Day. And I'm going to put it in the water here and see what it does. Here we go. I see it fizzes. It does appear it is finally done doing all of its fizzing. Still making a fizzing noise, but look at that. I mean, it looks like chicken broth. Warning, not for consumption. Do not use if you have any allergies to chicken stock or sun sensitivities. Not for sale. Not a food product. Keep out of reach of children. Well, there you go. That's what it does. That's what it is. Happy National Noodle Day. They also put some of their varieties in here that you can ingest. This is their sweet chili stir-fry noodles. These are pretty good. You cook them and they don't have a broth, they have a sauce. And they've got a decent amount of vegetables with them, which is very nice. I like the vegetables. And a couple packs of the soy sauce flavor top ramen. Here's something you might not have tried yet. This is their stir-fry rice with noodles. And this is their Japanese teriyaki chicken. Yeah, so it's like they take the noodles and they're little tiny bits, and there's also instant rice in there, and these are pretty darn good. And here's a Nissan Firewalk. This is their molten chili chicken. I'm really quite partial to the sizzling rich pork. This, I don't think I've had this one because it's also mentioning 20% more noodles. Yeah, I'll have to look at what I've reviewed previously and see if that one said it, and if it didn't, then this will be a new review. And we've got a pack of beef top ramen and your classic chicken cup noodles.
Oh, and indeed, my suspicions were correct. The bath bomb isn't something to ingest. As you can see here, made to wallow, not swallow. Well, thank you very much to the kind and very innovative folks over at Nissen Foods USA for wow. Yeah, I'm gonna have to give this a try. All right, well, happy National Noodle Day. This has been Hans, the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day, and not just National Noodle Day. Have a good one. Bye.